So.
I'm not really fans of lobster. It's okay, but
you don't have the main lobster. You will when you have the lobster at my place.
really?
Yeah.
But I'm looking forward to eat the king crabs.
Yeah.
I really want to eat the king crabs. The crabs. Where's the
Well,
crabs?
you know, there's a lot of takeout, a lot of fast food takeout there.
Really?
Especially Chinese. And you love that stuff. And all you have to do is download an app.
Really?
And you can just, you know, I want this, press click, you pay for it, you know, online, boom, boom, and then 15 minutes, it's delivered to your door. The doorbell's ringing.
Oh my god, really?
Yes.
Salvis. That's okay. As long you don't leave me. You won't leave me if I get fat?
No.
You sure?
Maybe? No, I won't.
What maybe? You said
I
maybe.
meant to say that, no, I won't. I definitely will not.
Okay, good. So it's okay if I get eating. Honestly, before it's so hard for me to get fat. But if you get older, it's so easy to get fat. Because before, guys, it's so hard. I took a lot of vitamin just to get fat. But you know, I still don't gain weight. And then that's it. After I have Thea, that's the fats start. Because when I had Thea, guys, I just bed rest for 8 months. And then that's it. I don't get skinny anymore after that. Cow? Where's cow? Moo. How about the horse? How about the sheep? How about the cat? How about the chicken?
A lot of cute dogs, huh?
Yeah, very cute dogs. A lot of food cart beside the road.
A lot of construction.
Yes, in Anda, a lot of construction. A lot here. Wow, look at the mountains. So we're going to Kugtong, guys, to see if they have a good seafoods there. Today is Friday, baby. Oh, Friday.
Today's Thursday? No, today's Friday.
I want to ask Jomar if when is the low tide, so I want to get some shells. Because they have a lot of shells here. Tagang bata. So nga na ni imbaw? Saan man ipagkaon? Kilaw?
Pwede kilaw, pwede na po.
Digit some imbaw. This is imbaw, guys. Masa man ka nagbunbun? Lapok?
Lapok.
So dapat hindi mo ka ano lugay. Asa man?
Wa man ni sa lapok sa ilaw.
Okay.
Ikuha na yung lapok.
Tudi nila pukon.
Ang
Hindi nila pukon.
ilang sabahon, ilaon.
This is kuanday ko no, guys, kanang para kilaw daw kuno ni siya usaha ang uban sa bow.
Sabahon.
Dili lang si.
Di man.
Si hi to. Bless Uncle Jomar, anak. Bless. Like this. Imbaw, they call it imbaw. Yeah, they just got it. They just clean it. Bali ni mo ni baligya ya? Pila magkiloan eh?
100.
This is 100 per kilo? This is it's for sale. You wanna buy? How do you cook it? Huh? Uno. Mo palit ko. Iya ko nung palitan niya. How many kilo? Just one? Okay. Ito ang kukibagong saon niya siya.
Sabaw gamayon lagi sabaw kung imo sabawon.
Siguro
siya mo apaw gamay. Dito mo sabawon. Pinagto sabaw.
Nalajud ko na may kuy tambal ana. Tos ba? Sakit jud na.
Sakit lagi mo na ngahos ang gisut ka gipiyong.
Okay, pili dai nang dagdag-dagko. We're buying some shells, guys. We call it imbaw. We just got it from Kuan.
Morning, sa Tagbilaran, mahal. Morning nga tinasod.
Ah, okay. Kasi this one is expensive in Tagbilaran. Imbaw.
Lara mga malit niya, tagapanglaw.
Anak, wait. You wanna eat it? Kana, okay na kana.
Doon pa na. Doon pa na.
Gitagaan ba yato niya 1.6?
Lagi.
Naluoy man siya. Kay trabaho nun biya po. Pero oy, gamong kamera naguma oy.
Sayang.
Hasag sticker niya.
Did he have enough money to fix his boat?
Ha?
Did he have enough money to fix his boat?
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, Thea, you're excited for that? Wow. Bye. Bye. Look, crabs? Where's the crabs? She's so OA. Drama actress. Mag-artista man siguro yung bata, oy.
Ano mo na siya?
Crabs ko no, crabs. Ano sabi siya kita crabs? So, pre, na ka rin maglaglaan.
Oh, free na.
Ato ta sa mua.
Oh.
Magtas lag ka bukid.
Kulit dali. Rambutan ugmana.
Okay, ganyan dito. Hoy, ting, ating, ating, hoy, ting, ating, 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 ting, ting. Asa na kilo? Just 1 kilo, bebe? Okay. Mungkot sa mungkot. Pagong bag to. Pagong shoulder bag. Kaya tagong kwarang ito. It's fresh.
Close rat. Close ang gas. Nagduman.
Kuan man ni siya violet.
Tamis. O gahi.
Kuan man siya kay bag-o man na.
Look guys, it's a sweet potato. Okay. And some sweet potato. Hindi siya butikon to. Gusto na kilo. Kuang? Sabi. Wow, look at the kids. Look at, do you wanna do that? Huh? Thea? Do you know to do that?
Wow!
Wow.
Fish! The fish!
Wow, look at the kids. The little girl knows how to do it. I don't have idea how to do that thing.
The fish!
Look, baby.
The fish!
How cute.
The fish! The fish!
Now, bye, fish. Now, bye-bye. There we go. Going to cook them. We bought sweet potato and imbaw, guys. Shells. And Anthony wants to make spaghetti with it, baby.
Yeah.
Spaghetti. How about baby shark?
Yeah?
Baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark, toot.
How much you
toot,
pay for
toot.
those?
100 peso.
Oh, okay.
Baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark. Sing baby shark. Oh, that's a nice house. Oh, look at the mountains. One, hapit na mahurot. Where is your mask? There. Huh? the dog?
Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf, wolf, wolf.
Sheep.
How about the sheep?
Nah.
Ba.
Horse.
How about the horsey?
Ow. Ow.
Dog?
Wolf.
Wolf. Cat. Meow. You're so cute, baby boy.